Artificial intelligence is not just about large language model like llamas, OpenAI's ChatGPT, and so on and so forth. AI is not just about generating text, editing images, and creating other content. There is more to AI than these LLMs. LLMs are awesome, don't get me wrong, but as I said, there is more to it. One such veteran technology is XGBoost. XGBoost is one of the coolest technology and a low-code solution to create models, especially if you're looking to manipulate tabular data through AI. Still, if you give tabular data to the models, most of them I would say they struggle to come up with the correct output. That is where still XGBoost 2 shines. XGBoost is boost is derived from GBTs or gradient boosted trees. GBTs or gradient boosted trees are a class of machine learning algorithms that combine a decision tree basic learner with the ensembling techniques called boosting. GBTs have stood the test of time in terms of their predictive power, especially for machine learning for tabular data, such as Excel or any spreadsheet or even in the PDFs. Learning from tabular data remains a real struggle for these foundational models. Now, we all know that ChatGPT 4 can do some analysis with the help of its own machine learning on the tabular data, but still I have seen that it struggles sometimes, but it is not as bad as the others. For example, I have tried out this tabular data with llamas, with even Mistral. All of those models struggle a lot. But as I said, AI is not just about these LLMs, and it is not just about computer vision. Now, tabular data is what all of the organizations have in various formats like Excel sheets, Google Sheets, spreadsheets, and PDFs, and even other legacy systems. If you're in the finance industry, you might know that from fraud detection to other financial information, it is very heavily tabular data oriented. When it comes to predictive tabular data use cases, I believe XGBoost is the real deal. XGBoost is one of the most successful implementations of GBTs. It's both an algorithm and a library. Started as a research project by Tianqi Chen in 2014, some 10 years ago. Still, XGBoost has been the key component of almost all winning Kaggle solution as well as many important real-world applications. The library is now in version 2, as we say XGBoost 2, and it is supported on almost every computing platform and environment. In 2018, there was a lot of buzz around it, but then these chat GPTs and all that stuff came around, and that went into back burner. On your screen, you can see that this is the introductory page from NVIDIA. I would highly suggest you go through it. It explains in great detail in simple words what exactly XGBoost is and why we would be using it. And then there are a lot of benefit it has described. So real good stuff, I would say, because not everything is about generating text or images. The actual truth is that a lot of high value AI ML is still predictive, utilizing tabular data set. So I believe that we should be also focusing on XGBoost in addition to GenAI and LLMs, because still a big chunk of real world investment is still in predictive machine learning, which heavily relies on tabular data set and tree based methods such as XGBoost or random forest. Installation of XGBoost is very simple. All you need to do, if you're using Python or pip, just do pip install XGBoost, and that's about it. For a real world example, you can go to this XGBoost documentation and use this code where it is reading some data, loading it, and then making the prediction. That's pretty much it. And then there are a lot of nuggets throughout scattered this documentation, and I will drop the link in this video's description. I hope that this was useful, a quick introduction into XGBoost, and the idea behind this video is to give you a flavor that there is more to AI than just language models. That's it guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.